Hi friends, I hope you all are safe and healthy. So this video is all about DIY with popsicle sticks or ice cream sticks. Personally, I love these DIYs because it's easy to make and second it turns out beautiful and attractive. So before watching the video, जैसे कि मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, hit the like button and also share. Now let's move on to the video. For the first one, I use uncolored sticks. Take a stick, apply hot glue or wet glue on both the ends and put a stick over it. Repeat once again. Make 3 following the same process. Now put them parallelly in a row at equal distance. After that, put sticks over them horizontally at equal distance and paste them by using hot glue gun or white glue. That's it guys, DIY wooden stick coaster is ready. You can also paint it with acrylic paint. For the second one, make a triangle with popsicle sticks. Next, join 2 sticks horizontally and make 2 of it. Now join 2 sticks in order to make half triangle. Repeat 2 times following the same process. Place all parallelly and join them with 2 sticks on both the sides. Now assemble all parts starting with head, that is triangle, next to rod and now rod to tail. Now color it with acrylic paint. I use pink one. Our arrow is ready to hang it up on the wall by using double-sided tape. This is amazing grid wall art with popsicle sticks. For this one, I use colored popsicle sticks. Make a square with different colored sticks. Make 5 more. Now take any color paper and make a heart and cut it out. Make 4 of them. After that, take a rope or thread. Now place rope in middle of the square and place heart in middle of the square and behind the rope. Now paste another heart over it and cover all with another square. Repeat the same process with the remaining ones. You can use any shape or photo instead of heart as I had done with second one. So guys, amazing wall hanging is ready to hang to enhance the beauty of your wall. For the last DIY, you will need circular cardboard and 2 colored sticks. I use light and dark blue. All you have to do is apply white glue or Fevicol on the cardboard and paste the sticks onto it. Do it until the sticks covers entirely circular cardboard. For its base, cut the circle from the cardboard and paste it. It looks like that after completing. Now take a rope and tie it for decoration purpose. You guys use it as a flower base or a pen holder. That's it for this video. I hope you like. See you in the next video.